The one that I'm most excited about is a stock called Ardian in Europe. So Ardian is basically a merchant acquirer and has recently got into sort of card issuing as well. But effectively, it has the most attractive technology stack that allows payments to go through as seamlessly and as quickly as possible for their clients, right? So when you think about the traditional kind of POS terminals, the traditional online, deals, a lot of the existing merchant acquirers have a less good technology stack than Ardian. So Ardian has some of the largest and most disruptive companies as their clients. So like Uber, for example, is a client of Ardian. eBay is a client of Ardian. And so when I think about the fact that Ardian is not just levered to a very attractive part of the payments part of the business, so payments grows at a mid-teens rate in the world's online and card payments. But within that, Ardian's over-indexed to the true disruptors, the companies that are outgrowing even the payments industry. So I could see Ardian growing at a 30 to 40% top line clip for a very long time. And they also make 60% EBITDA margins today. So it isn't one of those disruptive companies that's losing money today. They're actually extremely profitable and they're growing 30 to 40%. And if you price target Ardian on a roughly 35 times free cash flow out your multiple, you could easily see another 50, 60% upside from here. And I think taking aside even the upside on Ardian, I think it is, to your question, it probably is going to be one of the most disruptive companies to the payments value chain out there. The one that stands out to me is a stock called WuXi Biologics, so WUXI. WuXi Biologics effectively is a contract research and contract development and manufacturing organization. So they basically take a lot of the outsourced business from startup biotechs, large pharmaceutical companies around their clinical trials and help them effectively with the science and take it off their backs basically. When you think about the advent of cell and gene therapies, single-use medicines, personalized medicines, a lot of rare and orphan diseases that haven't been found there, this is probably one of the most attractive parts of healthcare over the next 10, 15, 20 years. And WuXi is coming at this from a very, very disruptive lens and angle. So they have a cost advantage being in China, but also an innovation advantage in terms of how early to the market they've been in vaccines, in biologics. And so I could see WuXi disrupting a lot of the existing biologics players out there, but also taking a lot of business away from internal biotechs and internal pharmaceutical companies for a long time.